10 Best Quotes of Film High and Low 1963. High and Low is a 1963 Japanese crime drama directed by Akira Kurosawa, based on Ed McBain's novel King's Ransom. The film follows Kingo Gondo, an executive facing a moral dilemma when his chauffeur's son is mistakenly kidnapped instead of his own. Gondo must choose between paying the ransom, which would ruin him financially, or saving his business. The film explores themes of wealth disparity, morality, and justice as Gondo grapples with his decision. The police investigation intensifies, revealing societal contrasts and human complexities. High and Low is acclaimed for its gripping narrative, strong performances, and Kurosawa's masterful direction. May the Force be with you. Star Wars, 1977. There's No Place Like Home. The Wizard of Oz, 1939. I'm the King of the World. Titanic, 1997. Carpe Diem. Seize the day, boys. Make your lives extraordinary. Dead Poets Society, 1989. Elementary, My Dear Watson. The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, 1939. It's Alive. It's Alive. Frankenstein, 1931. The Price of Success. Success isn't worth losing your humanity. Spoken by Rico Gondo, this quote reflects on the moral costs of ambition. The importance of truth. I have no time for lies. I want the truth. Kingo Gondo, the protagonist, emphasizes the value of honesty, loyalty and brotherhood. We are all fangs of the same wolf. This quote emphasizes the importance of unity within a gang. Strength and determination. There's no such thing as a hopeless situation. There are just hopeless people. This quote highlights the importance of perseverance. The price of violence. Even the strongest man has a breaking point. This quote acknowledges the emotional toll of violence. King Gondo, I can't just let my boy die. But it isn't my boy. But he's still just a child. I can't let him die. Kawanishi, the company should be run for the benefit of the many, not for the personal gain of a few. Chief Detective Tokura, we live in a world where it's easy to tell a lie but hard to tell the truth. Inspector Are, Gondo-san, you did the right thing. You saved a life. King Gondo, a man who betrays his own child cannot be trusted. Rico Gondo, it's not just the money. It's about principles, about what's right. Chief Detective Tokura, we won't let him get away. We can't let someone who plays with human lives win. King Gondo, I'll pay the ransom. I'll pay it all. Just bring the child back safe. Inspector Are, Gondo-san, this isn't just your problem. It's everyone's problem. King Gondo, I won't let greed destroy my soul. I won't be a part of it. 7. My mama always said life was like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Forrest Gump, 1994. 8. I'll be back. The Terminator, 1984. 9. You're gonna need a bigger boat. Jaws, 1975. 10. Here's looking at you, kid. Casablanca, 1942.